Hey everyone, in this problem we're given some information about two electric charges at some distance from each other, and we want to find the magnitude of the electrostatic force exerted on one by the other. Now in order to quantify an electrostatic force, we have to use Coulomb's law, which states that the magnitude of the electrostatic force between two charged particles is equal to the Coulomb constant times both charges, Q1 times Q2, divided by the square of the distance between them. In the case of this problem, first off, we have K, which is a constant, and has a value of about 8.99 times 10 to the power of a 9, with units of Newton meters squared per Coulomb squared, times the charges, and the charges are given to us. One of them has 7.5 nanocoulombs, so that's 7.5 times 10 to the power of a negative 9 coulombs, times 4.2 nanocoulombs, so we also multiply this by 10 to the power of negative 9 coulombs, and then we divide this by the square of r, where r is the distance between them. So in the case of this problem, r is equal to 1.8 meters, so we divide it by the square of that, 1.8 meters squared. And if you were to put this into your calculator, then you would find a charge magnitude of about 8.74 times 10 to the power of negative 8 newtons, and that is the magnitude of the force between these two particles. Now part B asks a simple conceptual question. Is the force attractive or is it repulsive? And the key thing to know here is the law of attraction when it comes to electrically charged objects, where if you have two positively charged particles, there is a repulsive force, where they are repelled away from one another, and if you have two negative charges, the exact same effect appears. But if you have a negative charge and a positive charge, only then is there an attractive force between them. So opposites attract while likes repel. Now in the case of this problem, both of the charges are given to us as positive, which means that they both must have the same charge. For that reason, we can assume that the force between them is repulsive. And that's it for this problem. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please consider subscribing, as that'll help me out in making more videos like this. And if you have a question, leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to help you out as best as I can. If you have a request for a future video, or you just like to hang out, my Discord server and my Twitch page are both linked below, so check those out if you'd like. But that's all for now, and I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye-bye.